Hi! Have you ever wondered what makes water so special? A lot more than just being a drink or something that helps us survive here on the planet. Because let's be real, nothing on this planet can live without water. But water is so much more. And I'm going to teach you one thing in the PDF, but it's a very, very important thing, because once you continue drinking water, that is going to raise the vibration in your body. And we all know if your vibration is high enough, it's easier to create and manifest, and we feel good. So water needs life force. The water in your tap is water without life force energy. So how do we create that? Well, in nature, water gets it through three things. One of it is the sunshine. It's on the water here. It gives life force energy, same as to vegetables and plants. Water also needs to make bends. You know, the flow of water. And you can see that here behind me. It's going around the rocks and it's making bends. That is what gives water energy, not the sharp curves of your pipe system. And the other thing that gives water life force energy is current. Well, you can see that. So how are you going to create water that raises your vibration? That's very simple. And I explain all of it in the PDF and more about water and how you can make your own water so that from today you will start raising your vibration with every sip you drink. How cool is that? So download the PDF, enter your email and your name, and you'll get an email and you can download the PDF. And let's start raising your vibration so you can start creating whatever you desire.